Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Lorena. I'm so happy you're watching. We're doing some cleaning and simple decorating today. I still had some Easter decor that I needed to put away and replace with something else, and just doing a few simple touches of decor around our home. And starting here in our master bedroom, I had that really thick blanket at the foot of our bed out for the colder months, which is perfect for fall and winter. It's super cozy and I think it adds such a pretty texture to the bed, but I wanted to remove it here for the warmer months and have something lighter for spring and summer. So I'm just going to remove it and wash it so I can put it away for now. It's from the Casa Luna line at Target and such great quality. I've had it for a while and I just usually bring it back out in the fall. But for now, I'm going to replace it with a lighter blanket, but it's a similar color, just to add some texture to our bed and another layer to make it cozy, because there's actually not too much decor here in our room, so it'll be nice to have something. Love how this blanket looks here. It's really lightweight. It's just going to be pretty to have for spring and summer. And right now we're in the season of life where we have no decor on our nightstands, and it just works for us and our baby. She is sleeping in her bassinet here at night. We're able to roll it in here, and then for her naps I'll roll it into her nursery. But it just works to not have anything here. We just have a coaster and then the little Hatch sound machine. And I do have this bedside cart here with just diapers and wipes and essentials to have at night and early in the mornings. But yeah, no decor, just need to wipe those down. And although it has been nice not to have a lot of decor here in our bedroom, thinking ahead, I am excited to add more decor in the fall. I'm not sure how much longer our baby girl will be in our room with us, but either way, I think in the fall I'll be ready to add a few more decor touches here to our nightstands and something different to these shelves. I actually haven't really been using this makeup vanity as much anymore. I used to always do my makeup on here, but I don't have a lot of time, so I just do it quickly wherever I can. But anyways, I'm just going to wipe all of this area down and we'll be pretty much done here in the bedroom. Here in our upstairs living room, I'm just doing a quick tidying up. I think I mentioned this in a previous video, but we are looking for a new couch for this room. We've had this one for a really long time, before we even lived in this house, and it has just seen better days. It's not in great shape anymore, so I'm excited for a new one. I just haven't found one that I'm 100% convinced, so still looking around, but hopefully we can get one by the summer. And that ottoman, I think I'll still keep. I like having an ottoman up here. It's just really cozy to put our feet up. And this room is one where we spend a lot of time in, so I want to make sure that it's super cozy, of course nice, but also really comfortable. And there's always dog toys all over. The baby toys are mostly still just in Mila's nursery, but I'm sure once she gets bigger they'll be out here too. And I'm actually going to move into the nursery and take down a few Easter things that I had up, and I bought a cute little frame to add. And then I'm just going to finish with vacuuming all of the upstairs area. I got this super cute little butterfly frame from the Target dollar spot, and I'm just going to add it to one of the bookshelves. I would love to decorate these seasonally or even monthly, but I think I'm gonna wait until next year when Mila has maybe more interest and notices that they're decorated. But for now, it's fun to add just cute little touches. And like I said, I'm just gonna finish up vacuuming her nursery, our bedroom, and the living room up here. And I had my little helper with me. I've been wearing her just to get a few chores done during the day, and she loves it. She loves just hanging out with me and just coming along, walking around the house. She stays awake and she's just like looking around, and I love doing this. So she just enjoyed vacuuming with me. Now moving on to downstairs, I'm just going to clean up here in the kitchen, and there were a few Easter things that I needed to put away. Just do the dishes, wipe down the countertops, and then I'm going to add some decor here to our island. Just really simple. I am wanting to do some decorating for the summer. I'll have that video out probably in the next month or so, but for now, just keeping most of my spring decor and just putting away any Easter items that are still up. I love using these Scrub Daddy sponges. This one's a Scrub Mommy because it has that soft side in the back, and they hold up really well actually. I usually get them from Amazon, so I can get a pack of several, but I just picked this single one up from Target because I really needed it and I love using them. And now that we have our baby Mila, I've been really trying to get stuff done like dishes and chores really quickly. I feel like before having a baby, I would take my time with everything, like sometimes too much time, and now I have to use her naps to get things done quickly and efficiently. She went down for a nap after we vacuumed, so I used that time to finish getting everything else that I needed to done. But then there are also days that I don't get a lot done because she needs extra cuddles or maybe a contact nap, or there are days where I just need to shower and eat lunch or edit a video. So it just depends, but overall I feel like she's just made me better at time management and simply just being present with her too. So we're just adjusting as we go and learning from each other every day. I think I shared this in a previous video, but I really love this stone drying mat. It is really nice just sitting next to our sink, but then of course practical when I'm hand washing some dishes. I can just set them on there and it matches the countertops really well, so it looks really nice. I got it from Amazon. I'll link it down below if you're interested in something like this. But I'm just washing off the sink and then gonna wipe down the countertop so I can add a few decor touches and remove some of the Easter stuff that's left. I'm actually still using a winter scent for this Mrs. Meyer's cleaning spray. It doesn't smell like Christmas or anything. It just has a really fresh and clean scent. I'm trying to use it up before I switch it. And in my kitchen, I try to keep things pretty simple when it comes to decor. Now the countertop on one side of the stove is occupied by a bottle drying rack and sterilizer, so no decor there. And the rest I try to keep pretty minimal. I'm just adding these little fresh flowers that I had left over from a tablescape to this area, and that's pretty much everything for this side. I'm just gonna add some dish towels and decor to the island. I got some really pretty chamomile flowers and I really love how they look, so perfect for spring. This stone pitcher is from the Hearth and Hands line at Target. I got it a few years ago and still love using it for kitchen decor. I usually always have fresh flowers here on the island, and I love how these look in the pitcher. I'm also going to add a bowl with some faux artichokes. I think they look pretty realistic and really nice for kitchen or dining table decor. They're from Amazon and they came in a set of 6, but I'm only using 3 on top of a tea towel in the bowl, and I really love how all of this came together. Here on my coffee station, I'm just removing some Easter things. I still had Easter coffee mugs out and a ceramic bunny and basket with eggs that I needed to put away, and they got replaced with some everyday coffee mugs and then this seagrass wrapped carafe and glasses, which will transition perfectly for summer decor. I also removed that little woven bunny and replaced it with a candle snuffer and some coasters to fill out this tray, and I will probably change out the decor here on my coffee table for the summer. And then I went ahead and put everything in a storage container where I also store Valentine's decor, and it'll go up into the attic and stored until next year. And that's everything for today's Clean and Decorate with me. I hope you guys enjoyed. It was nice to get some cleaning done and redecorating until I decorate for summer. And I'll probably have a spring home tour video out soon, so make sure you're subscribed if you are not already. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate all of you, and I will see you soon on my next one.